வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான 10வது மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு. இது பார்ட் 1 வீடியோவிலேருந்து பார்ட் 30 வீடியோ வரைக்கும் உள்ள 900 எம்சிக்யூலேருந்து 100 எம்சிக்யூ செலக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டு எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு 1 hour ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் டெஸ்ட்டு அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு தேவையான பென்னும் பேப்பரும் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆன்சர் எழுதும்போது கொஸ்டின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் மட்டும் எழுதினா போதும். இந்த வீடியோவோட கடைசி பார்ட்டில் இதுக்கான ஆன்சர் இருக்குது, அதை நீங்களே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போது வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், amalgamation is a form of A. Trade association, B. Federation, C. Partial consolidation, D. Complete consolidation. Second one, all theories of buyer behavior have been primarily based on dash model, namely stimulation response or SR model. A. Exposure model, B. Learning model, C. Distortion model, D. Retention model. Third one of the major tasks of marketing management is A. Producing meaningful heterogeneity, B. Dealing with various people, C. Establish distribution channels, D. Researching foreign marketing system. Fourth one, net profit earned plus non-working capital expenses is equal to A. Fund provided by operation, B. Use of funds, C. Sinking fund, D. Source of fund. Fifth one, the ordinary shares of first class industrial companies are described as A. Green chip, B. White chip, C. Red chip, D. Blue chip. Sixth one, a budget which is prepared incorporating the summary of all the functional budget is called A. Cash budget, B. Master budget, C. Sales budget, D. Production budget. Seventh one, which of the following items is deducted from costing profit to arrive at financial profit? A. Undervaluation of opening stock, B. Under absorption of overhead, C. C. Loss due to obsolescence. D. All of these. Eighth one, the external sources of cash is A. Issue of new shares. B. Buy back shares. C. Issue of bonus shares. D. Issue of duplicate shares. Ninth one, the auditor is liable for A. Errors in preparing the final accounts. B. Not attending the meeting of board of directors. C. Failing to attend equity shareholders meeting. D. Failing to prepare minutes. Ten. Rights issue refers to the shares issued to A. Employees. B. Public. C. Existing directors. D. Existing shareholders. 11th one, who is considered as the father of consumer movement? A. John F. Kennedy. B. Ralph Nader. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Abraham Lincoln. 12th one, which of the following items is added to profit as per cost accounts to arrive at financial profit? A. Under absorbed overhead. B. Over absorbed overhead. C. Over valuation of closing stock. D. Goodwill written off. 13. WTO started functioning from the year A. 1991. B. 1992. C. 1995. D. 1998. 14. When goods are taken by the proprietor at cost price for his own use, the account to be credited is A. Drawings account. B. Bank account. C. Sales account. D. Purchase account. 15. Net profit earned plus non-working capital expenses is equal to A. Fund provided by operation. B. Use of funds. C. Sinking fund. D. Source of fund. 16. A contributory is A creditor, B a shareholder, C a debenture holder, D a debtor. 17. Consequence of non-registration of a partnership firm. Find the odd one out. A. An unrecognized firm cannot sue any partner. B. The right of partners to sue for dissolution of the firm or for accounts thereof. C. A partner of an unrecognized firm cannot file a suit against the firm for enforcing his rights. D. Cannot enforce their claims against each other. (18) The underwriting commission paid or agreed to be paid for issue price of debentures must not exceed A. 2%, B. 2.5%, C. 5%, D. 10%. 19. While evaluating the capital investment proposals, the time value of money considered in the case of A. Payback method, B. Discounted cash flow method, C. Accounting rate of return method, D. None of these. 20. The proceeds of asset not specifically pledged and the surplus of the asset specifically pledged are first available for A. Liquidator's remuneration, B. Preference creditors, C. Debenture holders, D. Unsecured creditors. 21. The operating cost can be included in A. Fixed cost, B. TFC, C. Variable cost, D. Possession cost. 22. Committee concerned with industrial sickness is A. Kapoor Committee, B. Nayak Committee, C. Goswami Committee, D. Gupta Committee. 23rd. What is the minimum age limit to be a director? A. 16 years, B. 18 years, C. 21 years, D. None of these. 24. The excess of actual sales over break-even sales is termed as A. Contribution, B. Margin of safety, C. Fixed cost, D. Variable cost. 25. A flexible budget is A. Budget for different capacity levels, B. Budget for different departments, C. Budget for average investment, D. None of these. "26. Opportunity cost helps in A. Ascertainment of cost, B. Controlling cost, C. Managerial decision, D. Ascertainment of profit." 27. The concept in which all costs associated to a particular period should be compared with the revenue associated to the same period. A. Matching concept, B. Dual aspect concept, C. Periodicity concept, D. Realization concept. 28. The order of priority in paying off debts in a winding up shall be as follows: A. Equity shareholders, B. Cost of goodwill, C. Preference capital, D. Unsecured creditors. 29. Which one of the following is most important for finding the long-term solvency of a firm? A. Debt equity ratio, B. Stock turnover ratio, C. Premium of investment, D. Fixed asset turnover ratio. 30. Time value of money is considered in A. Payback period method, B. ARR on original investment, C. ARR on average investment, D. Discounted cash flow method. 31. Who manages a joint stock company? A. Its board of directors, B. Its general body, C. Its management council. D. All of these. 32. The exporters, after earning the foreign exchange, have to surrender it to the RBI is a dash measure of correction of disequilibrium. A. Automatic. B. Monetary. C. Trade. D. Miscellaneous. 33. The document which is issued by the shipping company acknowledging the receipt of the goods on the board of the ship is called A. Shipping bill. B. Letter of credit. C. Commercial invoice. D. Bill of lading. 34. Income accruing in India but received outside India is taxable in respect of A. Only resident assessees. B. Only non-resident assessees. C. All types of assessees. D. None of these. 35. Which of the following is not a fully taxable allowance? A. Dearness allowance. B. City compensatory allowance. C. House rent allowance. D. Fixed medical allowance. 36. The most important function of RBI is A. Exchange management and control. B. Credit control. C. Financing commercial bank. D. Providing agricultural finance. 37. In BOP, the RBI's holding in terms of foreign currency and special drawing rights are called A. Private capital. B. Official capital. C. Banking capital. D. Capital outflow. 38. What is the objective of cost volume profit analysis? A. To know the relationship between profit, cost and volume. B. It is useful in setting up cash budget to indicate cost at various levels of activity. C. To assist in the calculation of goodwill for the purpose of control. D. To know the amount of overhead cost to be charged to product cost of various levels of operations. 39. The Development Bank started rehabilitate the sick and closed industrial unit is A. Unit Trust of India. B. Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. C. Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India. D. Industrial Financial Corporation of India. 40. Interim audit is conducted A. To issue of shares, B. To issue of debentures, C. To declare dividend, D. To reconstruct the company. 41. Which one of the following is not a speculator in the stock exchanges? A. Brokers, B. Bull, C. Bear, D. Stag. 42. IMF utilizes funds from A. Member countries' gold, B. Member countries' deposit money, C. USA funds, D. Member countries' asset. 43. The terms of trade is the name given to A. Unilateral trade agreement between countries, B. The excess of imports over exports, C. The relationship between price of imports and price of exports, D. Bilateral agreements. 44. Rate of tax for long-term capital gain is A. 10%, B. 20%, C. 30%, D. 40%. 45. The capital with which the company is registered is called A. Subscribed capital, B. Called up capital, C. Authorized capital, D. Working capital. 46. To prevent recurrence of scam in Indian capital market, the Government of India has assigned regulatory powers to A. SEBI, B. RBI, C. SBI, D. ICICI. 47. Which one is not an external source of finance? A. Public deposit, B. Factoring, C. Leasing, D. Surplus from disposal of old assets. 48. Expand the term SDR. A. Special duty rights, B. Special development on road, C. Special drawing rights, D. Special delivery register. 49. Net worth of business means A. Equity capital, B. Total assets, C. Total assets minus total liabilities. D. Fixed asset minus current liabilities. 50. A private company is deemed to be a public company under Section 43A of the Companies Act when its annual turnover is A. 10 crores, B. 20 crores, C. 25 crores, D. 30 crores. 51. The remuneration payable to directors cannot exceed 11% of A. Net profit, B. Gross profit, C. Profit before tax, D. Total profit. 52. Annual cash inflow is equal to A. Profit after tax plus depreciation, B. Profit before tax plus depreciation, C. Profit before tax and depreciation, D. Profit minus depreciation. 53. Investigation may be carried out on behalf of A. Owners, B. Shareholders, C. Outsiders, D. Staff. 54. No instrument of transfer of shares is necessary in the case of A. Transfer of shares to legal heirs, B. Transmission of shares, C. Surrender of shares, D. None of these. 55. The nature of advertising that aims to procure order through mails is known as A. Direct action advertising, B. Trade advertising, C. Professional advertising, D. Industrial advertising. 56. Which is not an outdoor advertising? A. Mural advertising, B. Sandwich advertising, C. Sky advertising, D. Press media. 57. Consumer Guidance Society of India was established in the year A. 1956, B. 1971, C. 1966, D. 1963. 58. A banking company is a company which transacts the business of banking in India. Is defined by A. H.P. Sheldon, B. Dr. H.L. Hart, C. RBI, D. Banking Regulation Act 1949. 59. Stock turnover ratio is A. Liquidity ratio. 61. The premium of redemption of preference shares can be provided out of A. Insurance fund. B. Securities premium. C. Forfeited shares. D. Depreciation reserve. 62. A forecast of cash position is done by A. Master budget. B. Sales budget. C. Cash budget. D. Production budget. 63. When India became independent, it was a dash economy. A. Highly developed. B. Moderately developed. C. Developing. D. Underdeveloped. 64. Which of the following denotes a combination of various elements of marketing? A. Promotional mix. B. Product mix. C. Marketing mix. D. Distribution mix. 65. The bylaws of a company are in A. Articles of Association. B. Memorandum of Association. C. Prospectus. D. Statement in lieu of prospectus. 66. Sales budget is A. Master budget. B. Functional budget. C. Expenditure budget. D. Cash budget. 67. MBE means A. Management by ethics. B. Management by exception. C. Management by environment. D. Management by entertainment. 68. When a person reduces his total income by making false claims or by withholding the information regarding his real income so that his tax liability is reduced, is known as A. Tax avoidance. B. Tax evasion. C. Tax planning. D. Shifting a tax. 69. ICHR refers to A. Indian Council for Horticultural Research. B. Indian Council for Development of Human Resources. C. International Convention of Human Resources. D. Indian Council of Historical Research. 70. The State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited commenced its activities in A. 1971, B. 1972, C. 1970, D. 1974. 71. The mother of modern marketing is A. Economics, B. Commerce, C. Accountancy, D. Statistics. 72. In present days, marketing concept is A. Production oriented, B. Management oriented, C. Sales oriented, D. Consumer oriented. 73. What is the minimum number of directors in case of a private company? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 5. 74. Long-term solvency is indicated by A. Rate of return, B. Liquid ratio, C. Debt equity ratio, D. Capital gearing ratio. 75. The approach that considers all the middlemen or institutions in distribution channel is A. Management approach, B. Commodity approach, C. Institutional approach, D. Functional approach. 76. Prevention of Food and Adulteration Act was passed in the year A. 1953, B. 1954, C. 1973, D. 1943. 77. Caption refers to the A. Row headings, B. Column headings, C. Main headings, D. Paragraph heading. 78. The altered memorandum must be filed with the registrar within A. 1 month, B. 2 month, C. 3 month, D. 4 month. 79. If the quorum is not provided in the Articles of Association, what is the minimum number of members to be present in the case of public company meeting of shareholders? A. 2 members, B. 3 members, C. 5 members, D. 10 members. 80. The variables lifestyle, personality and values are considered for A. Behavioral segmentation. B. Demographic segmentation. C. Geographic segmentation. D. Psychographic segmentation. 81. An incorporated company is A bar an A. Natural person. B. Artificial person. C. Firm. D. Cooperative society. '82. When a manufacturer sells the product as two or more different price, it is called A. Dual pricing. B. Administered pricing. C. FOB pricing. D. Geographical pricing. 83. An act of a company is said to be an ultra virus when it is beyond the powers A. Of the company, B. Of the director, C. Of the directors but not the company, D. Of the director. 84. If a company has a fundamental deficit in balance of payment, it should resort to A. Exchange control, B. Devaluation, C. Inflation, D. Foreign loans. 85. The reading matter in an advertisement that attracts the attention of readers, creates confidence, and urge to possess the product is A. Advertisement message, B. Advertisement media, C. Advertisement value, D. Advertisement copy. 86. The philosophy of marketing is the philosophy of A. Buyer service, B. Seller service, C. Consumer service, D. Dealer's service. 87. Residential status deals in section dash of Income Tax Act. A. Section 5, B. Section 10, C. Section 15, D. Section 20. 88. Industrial sickness is due to the following: A. Foreign exchange problem, B. Fixed capital problem, C. Marketing problem, D. Import problem. 89. In contract account, the cash received on the contract is credited to A. Work in progress account, B. Contractors account, C. Contractees account. D. None of these. 90. The present value of the firm's anticipated excess earnings is called A. Profits. B. Goodwill. C. Share. D. Dividend. 91. Assets easily convertible into cash are called A. Fixed asset. B. Liquid assets. C. Floating assets. D. Current assets. 92. Dividend received by the shareholder. A. Taxable. B. Exempted. C. Partly taxable. D. None of these. '93. Interim dividend can be declared by the company at A. AGM. B. EGM. C. Either AGM or EGM. D. Board meeting. 94. Fixed cost per unit increases when A. Production volume decreases. B. Production volume increases. C. Variable cost per unit decreases. D. Sales in decreases. 95. Which of the following is not a type of lease? A. Financial lease. B. Operating lease. C. Leverage lease. D. Periodical lease. 96. Pricing decision is influenced by A. Cost. B. Pricing objective. C. Demand. D. All of these. 97. Section dash of IT Act deals with inter-corporate dividend. A. Section 70M. B. Section 80M. C. Section 60M. D. Section 50M. 98. WTO was established in A. January 1995. B. February 1992. C. January 1948. D. March 1973. 99. Conversion cost is the sum of total of A. Direct material and direct wages cost. B. Direct wages direct expenses and factory overheads. C. Indirect wages and factory overheads. D. Selling expenses. 100. Tax deductions allowed in respect of donations relate to A. Section 80C, B. Section 80G, C. Section 80D, D. Section 80E. இப்போது ஆன்சர் ஒன் பை ஒன் சொல்கிறேன், நீங்கள் அப்படியே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க உங்கள் ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை கையில் எடுத்து வச்சுக்கிட்டு. 1 D, 2 B, 3 C, 4 A, 5 D, 6 B, 7 D, 8 A, 9 A, 10 D, 11 B, 12 B, 13 C, 14 D, 15 A, 16 B, 17 B, 18 D, 19 B, 20 A, 21 C, 22 D, 23 C, 24 B, 25 A, 26 C, 27 A, 28 D, 29 A, 30 D, 31 A, 32 B, 33 D, 34 C, 35 C, 36 B, 37 B, 38 A, 39 C, 40 C, 41 A, 42 B, 43 C, 44 B, 45 C, 46 A, 47 D, 48 C, 49 C, 50 C, 51 A, 52 A, 53 C, 54 B, 55 A, 56 D, 57 C, 58 D, 59 B, 60 B, 61 B, 62 C, 63 D, 64 C, 65 A, 66 B, 67 B, 68 B, 69 D, 70 B, 71 A, 72 D, 73 B, 74 C, 75C, 76B, 77B, 78C, 79C, 80D, 81B, 82A, 83A, 84A, 85D, 86C, 87A, 88C, 89C, 90B, 91B, 92A, 93D, 94A, 95D, 96D, 97B, 98A, 99B, 100B. இப்போது டோட்டலாக எவ்வளோ கரெக்ட் வந்திருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். அதை மறக்காமல் உங்களோட மார்க்கை கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்கு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.